Are you still eating or not?
Yeah, so yeah.
I'm still eating.
It's called a mukbang.
Yeah, it's still I'm just put mukbang at the end. You know. What's that though? Slap, 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 jump. Gang slap, all shit. You feel me?
Is it Allstate?
Yeah, I'll sleep.
Nationwide on the side type stuff.
Y'all see me with the vid, cause this Kid Biscuit on your screen. You mean?
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, good shit is.
I set that boy off with a missile. Glock in his mouth, toothbrush bristle. Aim at his bust, time for dismissal. Shoot, score. Izzy Daniels hit that boy with a jump rope. I hang with a cracker that cut throats. We put 3 bodies in one hole. I let her hoe, babe. I let her way that she shake that. Shake it, babe.
We have like a part 2 / mukbang, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, oh! I swear I got Spider-Man reflexes. It's crazy, bro. Keep going, keep going.
Get the Peter tables.
That's alright.
So it's basically like a part 2 type mukbang joint, okay? The first part's on his channel. We were just doing a quick, quick Q&A thing, okay? But today, it's gonna be a little controversial, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be doing which artist is better. No opinions, just facts.
Facts.
okay.
No, it's all opinions.
All facts. So, like I said,
Face, baby.
yeah, okay. So we're gonna pair up some artists. And the way we're gonna do
Tell
it.
me on me like a hoop.
No, shut up. Put a hole in it, nigga. Bang. Now you looking like a bagel. Okay.
Bagel. Donut. Sipping.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
Okay, no. So, but the way we're gonna be doing it is different. I haven't even told him, okay? I'm gonna think of an artist. You're gonna think of an artist.
Okay.
We're gonna blend them out at the same time.
Okay.
And then we gotta.
Okay.
So we're not gonna know who we're choosing, okay?
Oh, for sure.
But I mean, the other person's choosing, okay?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But like I'm saying, he got his wings, so it's like a
Oh, mukbang.
what's
We
it
just
called?
chilling. We just chilling.
It's like a post mukbang. You know what I'm saying?
Still mukbang. We still eating.
Shut up.
Okay.
It's not the story, okay?
Alright.
So you can be an artist, any artist.
Yeah, for sure. Alright.
I'm just gonna put this in just because if you say the same artist, we gotta slap each other. What?
Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm trying to eat, bro. You really trying to disturb the peace.
But if you say the same artist, I'm gonna be surprised. Okay.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1. Lil Nas X.
Blueface.
Yeah, I'm gonna see Blueface on that one, chief.
Okay, but like,
Lil Nas X, he's tough though.
he's tough, but like, okay. I say Blueface because he's been out longer, and every song he's dropped has been. It's not like all lyrical and everything, but it's been a heat. Simple as it. Is it recording? It's recording. It's recording. All Blueface songs, even they be hitting. Lil Nas X, most songs be hitting.
His new EP, I don't hit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I used as you guys know, I used it in a lyric prank. Okay, next one.
Alright.
So Blueface gets the point, okay? Next one.
Ready?
I got it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Ian
Dior.
Dior. Oh! What the heck? Okay.
No, stop playing.
Okay. I'm kidding.
I
got mine. I don't think you can see this. Alright, ready? Little Skies.
Oh, Trippie Redd and Little Skies. Oh my, bro. I used to mess with Trippie heavy, bro. And I used to mess with
Little Skies heavy. Yep. I think that most people I don't mess with as much. Trippie Redd I still mess with.
I still mess with, but
I'm saying Little Skies.
I mess with Trippie a little more than Skies.
Trippie's still in my top 5 artists just because of all his old stuff he's put out, and even the new stuff he's put out. With Ian Dior, you know what I'm saying? That song hit, and oh, that's an enemy arms. Oh, that's an enemy arms. Oh, tear the enemy's arms.
Okay. But like for real,
those guys, he's still fire. I'm waiting for his next project.
To be honest, like I was on My Life's a Dead
Oh, Cloudy
Rose.
with a Chance of
No, My Life's a Dead Rose.
Yeah.
That album.
Yeah.
I played that. I played that song. I played that album. So I like pretty much every song. But like his newest album, I only be playing like 2 songs off of it.
Oh yeah. I don't want to get close. You know
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
I got that one. I got that.
Yeah.
And
I got flooded.
I was just Blue Strips or Blue Chant. I got blues and I don't make them. I don't know what shorty is. She ain't grace. I got that. That's like the only 2 songs I got. That's the only 2 songs I got on the album. But like his last album, that's when I was messing with him heavy. Like I played that. I played him every day, bro. But the Disney Channel and Trippy.
Like, see, he made a new song with Machine Gun Kelly.
Don't care.
I listen to it.
Don't care.
I don't like Machine Gun Kelly Jones.
Don't care. So what was it called? Love Letter to You 2. Oh my god, that was bang good every song hit. But his song still hit, but like I don't care. Love Letter to You 2, best genre, bro. I swear. All right, I
I think it's like the old trip. You know what I'm saying? I like the I like the Love Scars trip. You know what I'm saying?
Love Scars Trippy. 14, babe. 14. PP on the beat.
He said PP on the beat. Okay, next one.
Alright, next one.
Never had me living.
Alright,
So that you.
let me know when you're ready.
I got mine.
I'm not ready. I didn't get mine. Alright, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Juice WRLD.
What the heck, bro?
Alright,
This is some type of twin telepathy type joint. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Watch the Disney show.
alright, ready?
3, 2, 1. Ski
Drink.
Master Slim Cut.
Oh.
Who's with the bandanas? I got it wrong. It's do-rags. Sorry, I was thinking of KSI earlier. You both done with the do-rag controversy.
Oh,
Ski Master
yeah.
Slim Cut.
Like, be better?
I like him better, but music-wise, I feel like Drake has to take it because.
What do you mean? This is about music. What are we talking about? Like,
I said I like his music better. So are you talking about who we like better or who we think is better?
I thought we were talking about who we think is better.
Yeah, so if I think Drake is better, but I like Ski's music more.
I thought we were talking. You're so confusing.
What?
We've been talking about like, oh, who we like better, right?
Yeah.
But like, I thought that music it counts with it. I'm not talking about like you like Ski as a person better. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about I like Ski's music more, but
Yeah.
I think Drake's music is all around better.
You so confused. If you like Ski's music more, then you pick Ski.
Okay, then Ski.
You make no time. Yo, he tripping. Yo, he high. I picked Drake just because he. I like no Ski is amazing, bro. I picked Drake more just because he's been out longer. So many songs, so many bangers, so many different type of vibes. He's doing all. Drake pretty much at the top.
But you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I take the top off. You know what I'm saying? Next one. Next person.
Alright, I got mine. I know you ready. It's on tough, yo. It's on tough.
Okay. I don't know how I thought of this, but I think I know. Okay.
Oh, I just lost mine. Who did I have? I just literally just lost mine. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Guardian. Namir. Yeah. I didn't see Kodak on that one.
Hey, Kodak.
I was gonna say Namir all along, so if it was Corday, I was gonna say Corday on that one. But we didn't say that. We didn't say that, so we're not gonna get into that.
Okay. But I say Kodak just because I have more of his songs on my playlist than
I know more of his songs.
No, but why being Amir like he didn't fall off, but he just hasn't been posting. Like he posted a couple of like new songs recently, but
There
like
was one cheating on it, then I felt bad too.
Yeah.
Hey, yours should be in this shit with like 3 max. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Mags.
That one hit. I don't know the lyrics, but that one's hit. Okay.
Yeah, but like I would say Kodaka just because he does more different type of vibes.
Yeah, and I like more lyrical, honestly. But at the same time, I don't know how I like be lyrical more, but like my top 5.
It's like Blueface.
No, it's not Blueface. It's like Lil Uzi, Ski Mask, X, Trippy, and Juice.
It's both lyrical and not lyrical.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. It's like
But,
different. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But I'll pick Kodaka.
Next person.
Alright, ready?
Okay.
Sorry.
3, 2, 1. Lil Yachty.
Lil Uzi.
Okay. I thought I would say the same for you. I was gonna say you're guessing Lil Yachty. Yeah, Lil Uzi. Yeah, I'm gonna say Lil Uzi on that one, Chief.
Lil Uzi's a goat. I don't care.
Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. Listen, I can't rank my top 5 order. I mean, I gotta pick. I got Trippy number 5 and Ski Mask number 4. But I can't pick. I can't choose between Juice WRLD, X, and Lil Uzi. What? Got something to say? Got something to say?
No, I don't.
Okay.
He's mommy X. Solid.
You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
3, 2, 1. PNB Rock. Of course you're gonna say X. Yeah, gotta be X.
X.
Yeah. PNB Rock hit different though. He do hit different, you know what I'm saying? Tell me why did you leave so fast? You know what I'm saying?
But X
At the
is
same
different-
time,
X
you know
is
what I'm
different
saying?
too.
What are you?
No, but like, X is different too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We also hit different, you know what I'm saying? Okay, cocaine for my brain, you know what I'm saying?
That is Lil Pump.
Cocaine for my breakfast. Oh, that's go ambidextrous.
Oh, I thought you said cocaine on the boat. That's Lil Pump. Cocaine on the boat. That's Lil Pump. I thought it was
I probably do, but like, you know what I'm saying? So, X over PNB Rock.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying not to say extremely big people, so it's like, it's more competition, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like, go straight to them and say, go over.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What?
I got it.
Oh, I didn't think it.
You said yes, sir.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ugly guy.
Oh, Ugly God or Gunna?
I say ugly guy. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, cause like.
Yeah, I say Ugly
What's
God.
that? Yeah, I say Ugly God.
I'm saying Ugly God. That's a difficult one. I'm still saying Ugly God though, but that's a close.
The reason I say ugly guy over Gunna is because you know ugly guy hasn't dropped. What's it say? Like when Gunna uploads like a album or whatever, like some songs sound just too familiar. It's not.
It's like I like his songs, but like he's different. As in, like he doesn't put a lot of emphasis and energy in his songs.
He does, but his songs hit. His songs do hit. But like ugly guy, you don't know what he's gonna talk about.
Way back, hey, dip for a minute. Now I'm on my way back.
Or I beat my meat.
Next person. I'm
Um.
not eating my ice cream, but this one just turned into a little slurpy.
Yo, I done my husband. Got my 3, 2, 1. Lil
Why
Baby.
me and Corey Day? Bro, I knew this was gonna happen. Hey, Tony, why me and Corey Day? Sorry, I had to say that. I had to. I was so happy you're saying that. I feel like you're gonna say Lil Baby just because he said Gunna. You got something for sure. Yo, chill.
I'm like,
Who you got?
To be honest, I have more Lil Baby songs in my playlist, but I mess with my baby. I
Why man Corey doesn't have that many songs? He doesn't have a project or anything. He only has like 5 songs out. I gotta make sure you said it for that.
Yeah, I know that, but like, I don't really be listening to him that much. But like, I don't be listening to Baby that much. I do, but like, I don't. But I have more Baby songs, and bro, when Baby said, "Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you,"
Yeah, Ferrari like this.
Pikachu. That's on the tongue. Oh my god. But I've seen YB and Corday rap. Like he can freestyle, and I like freestyles, so I go with YB.
Let's go, Tony. Yeah, what you talking about, man? Sorry. Well, half you people don't know what I'm talking about. Yo, I have to know what I'm talking about. There's only one other person knows what I'm talking about, okay? And he probably watched this video, so you better shut up.
You mad, you know?
Next part.
Next.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Ian Dior. Trendy. I'm sad to Ian Dior. I like almost all the songs. Ian Dior, like his entire.
Indian Dior.
Indian Dior. Look back to Cuddy. But the I don't know where I go.
You start.
I was gonna say that. But I'm gonna have to say, yo, you know, Ian Dior versus Trendy, you know what I'm saying? Hi, my name's Trendy Game. You know, like
Malu 15.
Body on
24.
God dang. Okay. 3.
Am I even ready?
Oh, so I can say my phone.
Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
Logic. What you say?
Come out the Z. I go come out the Z. Logic, but like before.
But like Logic, he hasn't like on his album Under Pressure. That joint hit. His newest album, that joint don't really hit. I still got like 4 songs from the album that I still listen to. That joint not hit, you know what I'm saying? Like Comethazine.
All the songs hit.
Exactly, you know what I'm saying? I walk around like that. Finger on the trigger. If you nigga wants to smoke, I let it chop it, eat his lip. Boom! I can't wear it 30, yeah, I'm leaving with a buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took Comethazine that one. I was not too thinking of that guy, I don't know why.
That's a big slap to the face to freaking Logic.
Yeah, it is.
No, like no disrespect to Logic, cause like I mess with you.
That's like he's not the same. He's not the same. That's all I gotta say. He's not the same.
Like, okay, so I like Logic back when like he still like when it was freaking like
oh yeah
the things on YouTube, the freaking like little mixtapes on like YouTube.
On the low, what's up with you?
That song that was the first song.
44. We go hard.
But then like
I bet I could. I bet I would. On the low, yeah, that's not it.
The last thing like I really messed with Logic was that race type the race album. Everybody. That would hit, but like I know people didn't like it, and that's when he started like his fans started.
That's when I got back into Logic. Like Lawrence used all those songs. I did not know. Like I heard of Logic, but I did not know that was Logic. And then Lawrence was like, "Oh, you know Logic is?" I was like, "Yeah, I heard of him. What about him?" And then he showed me the album. I was like, "Oh, that's sick." And he's like, "Remember this song?" I was like, "Yeah," but and then I was him. I was like, "Huh? What?
Huh?
Is Logic trash? No. Is Logic good?
You are correct, my brother.
Okay, next one.
Okay, ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Choose one. Choose one. No way you're saying Young Manny over Juice WRLD.
Okay. Nah. Okay. I'm gonna go as in the creator. It's like the whole creation, like the whole thing. Juice WRLD can rap for freaking forever. He can make any type of song. Manny, all the songs that he, all the songs.
So they're kind of the same. I'm not disrespecting. I'm not disrespecting. I'm not saying all of them. That's all. Not saying all of them. I put trouble in the way. That's a different song. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm here. Like different songs here and there. Like the I'm Young Manny. From like, I don't know his other album.
And Juice is not the same.
Not always.
Huh?
Not always. That's the thing.
I be sipping lean till my liver dies. Yeah. You feel me? Yeah, he be talking about drugs. It's meat.
You're saying like Young Manny.
I listen to Young Manny a lot.
Okay.
Okay, but Juice got a lot of bangers. But
His unreleased songs are the best. I'm sorry.
True. But like I'll pick Young Manny. But like in the car, if I had to put Juice or Young Manny, I'll pick Young Manny.
Yeah, man. Yeah, in the car. Yeah, that's only another joint. That's like they have different moods, but at the same time they can have the same mood.
Let me do the instrumental. Weezy.
I'm gonna go get him, see how they jumping, I'm calling it Tigger. She sucked through the Tommy's, I'm talking no figure. Tommy on me, I ain't talking no figure. That gun, run up on me, I got heat like the sun. Count it through 2 because I am not the one. Oh, wait, yeah, brother locked up in con. Ooh, I'm a other, yes, they gone. Ooh, RP to all they souls. Condolences are all they moms. Ooh, that's just how it is. Ooh, that's on there.
Yeah, I'll go with Juice, even though I rock with Young Manny more.
That's the freestyles. The freestyles, unreleased songs was the best. I'm sorry. Like honestly, my top 10 probably has like 2 of his actual unreleased songs. Like Armed and Dangerous. I still like that one. That one's like just.
I go Young Manny, bro.
Okay, it's opinion based.
No, it's just like I listen to him.
Next one.
Okay. Alright, right there. 2, 1.
Mad Ops. Yeah, see. Let's do another one. That one. Wait, I need to think.
Area 51.
I need to think. Oh, let's go. How did I freak? Bro, I had to slap myself for that one. Okay. Alright.
Okay, I'll go with this person. 3, 2, 1.
JID. JID. Hey, you know how did I forget about him, bro?
JID the BNB.
JD, the BSD, RP, family, RP, so OD, you know, I make a play the OD.
Yeah, you know me.
But you also go back, you know. I was just hooked up. I was just down bad. Shut up. Now you know that joint hit. And he said, I was just hooked up. I was just down bad. I had to tighten up. But I'm here for the crown. Board of Education versus Brown. I was board of education, left in town. Effing resume and effing gap a gown. Effing background, check background. That's when they get the check, nigga. That's now. Oh, sorry. I had to. But now though, we get to go past him. Like people think he's trash, but like you know he's doing some tap. That's only one I know from his album Uncle Cat.
Yeah, I don't even like that song.
You don't like it? That like because of that part.
I want to. The only thing I know is Meek Mill says put my thumb in your ankle. That's the only thing I know. And I was like,
move on the well. Run it back, put my thumb on it.
I was like, yeah, you got doodle on your fingers.
I said doodle on my feet, doodle on my nails.
Hey, you got doodle on your nail cracks. It'd be like,
but to end off the video, I just want to quickly go a quick little back and forth lines. You know what I'm saying?
Back and forth lines.
The one-liners.
Okay, whatever. Go. I'm not gonna think of anything good, but you start.
Pull up to your show. You're about to get served just like a plate.
You want the beef? I'm about to eat you like some steak.
You're gay!
Yeah.
You said you want beef, but I will cook you. There's no debate.
No debate? Well, I work in real estate. I bought a house and a car.
I can end you in this game. It's just easy, just like patty cake.
Patty cake. Wanna bone me? I'm gonna eat his cakes.
You're gay! He's gay!
Bougie and that flawless. At a moment, they were kind of fake.
Bro.
You say you want the beef. You get kicked up like you steak. Milk you like you a cow. Eat up my frosted flakes.
You know what I'm saying?
Shut up, man.
Because milk and cereal and frosted flakes.
I put the milk in my cereal. Actually, I put the bowl in my milk. Run up on me.
Run up on me. You thought, nah, whatever.
Like the do-rag I have on my head. I don't got no waves. Cause that is dead.
I tried to ride a wave, but that stuff, it didn't work for me. So I had to grow my hair out. That was the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see the first part of the Q&A, just go in the description, okay? Make sure you subscribe to him. It's good biscuit. We out.